Chapter 12, Content Creation, Turning Your Ideas into Income. Content creation is one of the most exciting and creative ways to make money online. And it's a model that didn't even exist in its current form just a couple of decades ago. At its core, content creation is about sharing something valuable, ideas, knowledge, entertainment, or inspiration with an audience. When you do it consistently and attract enough people, you can monetize that attention in multiple ways, from ad revenue and sponsorships to selling your own products or services. The best part? You can build a content-based business around almost any topic you're passionate about. The starting point for any content creator is choosing a platform and a format. You might make videos for YouTube, short clips for TikTok or Instagram Reels, written posts for a blog or LinkedIn, podcasts for Spotify and Apple Podcasts, or even long-form threads on X. The right platform depends on your strengths and your audience. If you're good on camera, video might be your best bet. If you're a strong writer, blogging or newsletters might be a better fit. The important thing is to pick one main platform to start with and commit to learning how to succeed there before trying to be everywhere at once. Once you've picked your platform, the next step is figuring out your niche and your audience. This is where many beginners get stuck because it's tempting to just make content about whatever is on your mind that day. While that can work for personal brands with an already established following, most creators need to focus on a clear topic that solves problems or entertains a specific group of people. The narrower your focus at the beginning, the faster you can grow because your audience will instantly know what to expect from you. Over time, as you build a loyal following, you can branch out into broader topics. The engine of content creation is consistency. One good post or video might get attention, but it's the steady stream of valuable content that builds trust and a loyal audience. The more you publish, the more chances people have to discover you. And with every piece of content, your skills improve. You get better at presenting your ideas, hooking people's attention, and keeping them engaged. Think of every video, article, or podcast as a brick in a wall. One brick doesn't make much of a structure, but if you keep stacking them over time, you'll have something solid that can support a business. Monetizing content comes in many forms. The most obvious is ad revenue, like YouTube's partner program or display ads on a blog. But relying on ads alone usually isn't the most profitable path. They can be unpredictable and require huge amounts of traffic to generate a significant income. That's why most successful content creators have multiple streams of revenue. This could include sponsorships, brands paying you to feature their products, affiliate marketing, earning commissions by recommending products, selling your own digital or physical products, offering memberships or subscriptions for exclusive content, or even live events and workshops. A key mindset shift for content creators is to see yourself as a business owner, not just a creator. Your content is the top of your funnel. It's what brings people in. But the real monetization often happens deeper in the relationship, once people trust you and see you as an authority or a source of entertainment they value. That's why building an email list alongside your content is so powerful. Social media algorithms can change overnight, but your email list is something you own and control, giving you a direct line to your audience. One of the biggest challenges in content creation is standing out in a crowded space. There's more content being uploaded every day than anyone could possibly consume, so you need to find ways to differentiate yourself. This could be your style, your storytelling, your expertise, your humor, or even just the unique combination of topics you cover. The good news is that you don't have to reinvent the wheel. You just need to put your own spin on it. The most successful creators aren't necessarily the most original. They're the ones who connect with their audience in a way that feels authentic and valuable. The other challenge is staying consistent when growth is slow. Most creators don't go viral right away. It can take months or even years to build a meaningful audience. That's why you need to enjoy the process itself, not just the outcome. If you can find satisfaction in creating and improving your craft, you will have the stamina to keep going long enough to see results. And when those results come, they can snowball. Content can live online for years, continuing to bring you new followers, customers, and income long after you made it. Content creation might not be the fastest way to make money online, but it's one of the most powerful for building a long-term brand and audience. Once you have an audience that trusts you, you can pivot into almost any business model you want, selling courses, launching a product line, starting a community, or even moving into completely new industries. In the digital economy, attention is one of the most valuable assets you can have. And as a content creator, that's exactly what you're building.